What's up, guys? We are here. You are here with Smee, with Smee Hacks. Today, we are going to use a simple hack with some paracord. So maybe you live in a small apartment like I do. So, this is what we're going to do. As you can see, my towel never dries because it's all bunched up all the time. I have a little towel rack over here, right there. And then as you see over here, I have this towel rack here. I'm going to take some paracord, put 2 carabiners on it, and then I can hang my towel up. This trick can be used out camping, in this house, small apartment, wherever you want. Clothesline, it works great. So come with me and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, what you guys want to do first, 2 little keychain type carabiners and some paracord. And then we just take our paracord, make a loop like so, and then we just kind of twist it around itself like so. We take this loop right through the hole, pull it back through, pull it tight, take our carabiner and flip it through, and then we're going to go ahead and clip this on to the towel rack. And we'll go ahead and do it to the other side like so. Take the carabiner, flip it through like so. Let's go hang this up. Alright guys, now we got our carabiner on our paracord. Clip it on there. Go ahead, clip it on there. Then you take a towel, lay it right across like so, and voila. Now my towel will dry completely before I need to use it again. Now, like I said, another little Smee hack, and you can use this in the house, you can use this outside for a clothesline, you can use it, pretty much wherever you want. Out in the woods, camping, endless possibilities. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends.